Hello and happy Saturday. I am here at 4645 Longs Peak doing an open house, and I just had to get on here and highlight some of the features of this house. So first of all, we have this incredible kitchen with a double oven and a dining room area. Now this sits on a corner lot with literally almost a quarter of an acre. It has 2 RV parking spots. And I want you to see how large this living space is here. It is an open floor plan, and I want to highlight as also this incredible little off of the kitchen office area, which is so handy. You have a really spacious entry area. You have a 3-car garage, and did I mention 2 RV parking spaces? Back here you have 2 extra bedrooms out over here, and a wonderful laundry room with a sink. So there's the bedrooms there. And don't forget this extra bonus office area with French doors. Now, a couple other highlights of this property. In addition to the 3-car garage and the 2 RV parking spaces, you have this massive primary or master suite, and it is a huge area for a king-size bed and more. And then of course you have a 5-piece bathroom, and you cannot miss this enormous walk-in closet for your primary bedroom. Now the other thing I want to mention is this is over 2,400 square feet above. It's ranch with all your living upstairs, and downstairs you have an enormous unfinished basement. Did I mention that outside there is a wonderful hot tub, and down here you just have to see this space where you can make it your own. It is enormous. You have a bathroom that's ready to be, it's already stuffed for that. In addition, you have this enormous living space down here, so a full 2,400 square feet down here. And then I want to also mention we have this beautiful, never been used hot or dry sauna, and this comes with the property as well. So I didn't want you to miss out. I'll be here until 1 today. Again, 4645 Longs Peak Street in Brighton. See you soon. Thanks.